If your car suddenly can't start, in this video I'll show you what to do and your vehicle will start. First, there are a lot of things that can cause your car or deprive it not to start, and here is the simple fix to it all. So you have to locate your fuse box right here. This is our relay and fuse. Okay, so you open. Okay, sometimes there might be a blown fuse that would cause this engine not to start right away. Okay, so what you must do first of all before you call a mechanic is you locate a fuse called the EFI. You can see this fuse right here. This is called EFI, electronic fuel injection. Okay, sometimes when this fuse is blown off, it will deprive the engine from starting. Okay, so you are going to locate the fuse puller, and this is the fuse puller. Once you've pulled off, then locate this exact number of fuse, which is EFI 20A. Okay, so if we should turn our fuse, we have it 1 2 3. Okay, the third, which is number 2, 1 2. Okay, so 1 2 3. Okay, so this is it. So I'm just going to pull it out. Okay, so like I said, once this fuse is blown off, no matter what, the vehicle won't start, because when this is blown off, it will deprive a spark from getting to the plug, and also there would be no supply of gas or fuel to the combustion. Okay, so I'm going to check if this fuse has blown off. Okay, so you can just raise to the sky. You can see that it's blown off. Okay, so we are going to replace this blown fuse. So this could be like, probably this is the reason why this engine is not starting. So I'm going to replace this with another fuse. So here is the new fuse I will be installing. You can see, let's see, spot the difference. You can see that this fuse right here is still connected, unlike the first fuse which I showed you guys. You can see that this one is blown off. So we are going to connect this fuse to this fuel, electronic fuel injection. Okay, so after it has been properly connected, then go ahead and start the engine. Okay, oh, you can see that the engine is running right now. Okay, so the EFI blown fuse was the cause which your vehicle is not starting. So we have the EFI to cause your vehicle not to start when it's blown off, which is the electronic fuel injection. Okay, so I hope these guys help. Watch other video on the channel on how to make your vehicle accelerate if it's not accelerating. See you guys in the next video, the diagnostic guy.